Agile is a software development methodology that emphasizes on adaptability, customer satisfaction, and delivering working software frequently. It is a set of values and principles that guide the development process. Agile is not a specific process or framework, but rather a general mindset and approach to software development. The Agile Manifesto, which was published in 2001, outlines 4 values that Agile development should prioritize: individuals and interactions, working software, customer collaboration, and responding to change. There are many frameworks that fall under the Agile umbrella. Scrum is a framework that helps teams work together effectively. It is focused on delivering working software in short, iterative cycles called sprints. Kanban is a framework that helps teams visualize and manage the flow of work. It is often used in manufacturing and service industries, but it can be applied to software development as well. Lean is a methodology that emphasizes on maximizing customer value while minimizing waste. And lastly, extreme programming is a methodology that emphasizes on frequent releases, customer involvement, and a collaborative, adaptive process. Let's take a deeper look at Scrum, a framework for agile software development that helps teams work together effectively. Scrum is focused on delivering working software in short iterative cycles called sprints. The length of a sprint is usually established based on the team's experience, the complexity of the work, and the project's constraints. The key factor is that a sprint should be long enough to accomplish meaningful work, but short enough to allow the team to adjust their plans based on what they've learned. Typically, teams use a length that ranges from 2 to 4 weeks. Scrum defines many roles within the team. The product owner, which is the person that represents the business and is responsible for defining the product backlog and ensuring that the team is working on the most important items. The Scrum lead is the person that acts as a facilitator and coach, helping the team to follow Scrum processes and remove any obstacles that may be impeding progress. Lastly, the development team is the group of individuals who do the actual work of developing the software. They are cross-functional and self-organizing, meaning that they decide how best to accomplish their work. Scrum also defines many events or ceremonies that the team will participate in. Sprint planning is a meeting at the beginning of each sprint where the team plans out the work they will complete during the sprint. Daily stand-up is a short meeting held every day where team members give a quick update on what they worked on the previous day, what they plan on doing today, and any obstacles that they may be facing. Sprint review is a meeting at the end of each sprint where the team demonstrates the working software they have completed and discusses what they learned during the sprint. And last but not least, sprint retrospective is a meeting at the end of each sprint where the team reflects on how the sprint went and identifies areas for improvement. One of the key aspects of Scrum is the concept of empirical process control, which means that the team is constantly inspecting and adapting the process based on what they've learned. They use the data and feedback they've gathered during the sprint to make decisions about what to do next. This helps them to continuously improve their process and ultimately to deliver better software. If it's not clear already, there are numerous benefits to following an agile development process. Faster delivery of working software. By working in short sprints, agile teams can deliver working software more quickly than traditional development methods. Increased collaboration. Agile teams are made up of cross-functional members who work closely together to deliver software. This leads to better communication and collaboration among team members. Better communication. Agile teams hold regular meetings, such as daily stand-ups, sprint planning, and retrospectives to discuss progress and plan future work. This leads to better communication and a shared understanding of the project among team members. And of course, flexibility and adaptability. Agile teams are able to respond quickly to changing requirements and customer feedback, making them more flexible and adaptable than traditional development methods. Scrum in particular provides a simple yet effective approach to managing complex projects. It emphasizes on delivering working software in short sprints, regular inspection and adaptation, and collaboration among team members. Scrum can help teams to deliver better quality software and increase productivity. I've personally had a great experience working with the Scrum Agile framework. The team dynamic is extremely positive and I feel very close to my coworkers. Communication is consistent and reliable, and everyone is usually on the same page. The Scrum framework has allowed us to have a better understanding of the project and its goals, which has led to a more efficient development process. Thanks to the regular meetings and iterations, we are able to deliver working software faster and respond quickly to changing requirements. And there we have it. Let's go over what we discussed. Agile programming is a flexible and collaborative approach to software development that prioritizes delivering working software quickly. One of the most popular frameworks for Agile development is Scrum, which provides a simple yet effective approach to managing complex projects and helps teams work together effectively. With its ability to deliver working software quickly, its ability to adapt to changing requirements, and its emphasis on collaboration, Agile is a popular choice for many software development teams. If you're interested in implementing Agile in your software development projects, consider trying out the Scrum framework. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something today. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Otherwise, subscribe for future videos and I'll catch you guys in the next one.